Hello, this is a quite quick question compared with other questions on this chapter. So you have to show that this expression here is equal to tan theta. So we are going to use the double angle formulae. So instead of sine of 2 theta, I'm going to write 2 sine theta cos theta. And then for the denominator, I have to think of it, or you can try. But remember, for cos 2 theta, I have 3 different options. So cos squared minus sine squared, or 2 cos minus 1, or 1 minus 2 cos. So we want tan, which means I want to keep one sine in the numerator, but these cos have to go. So I would try substituting by the cos square. Yeah. So I'm going to have 1 plus. So I'm going to just to remind you, the formulas for cos 2 theta could be cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, 2 cos squared minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared. Yeah. So from all these, I'm going to try this one because it has cos squared, and I want to get rid out of this cos and keep one cos in the denominator. Yeah, that's what I mean. So let's going to use that, and I have 1 and then 2 cos squared minus 1. So these two are gone, and then I have 2 cos squared in the denominator. These two can go with these two, and this cos with the square. So I have sine divided by cos, which is tan. If you don't realize, or you are not very sure what formula I use for the cos, because it's quite common, you can try, because the question is very quick, so you can try with the others. But I think it will save you time if you think a bit what you need to be able to decide which one to use. Yeah, and then hence find between minus 180 and 180 degrees the solution to this equation. We know that this is the same as having tan theta. So it's a very quick question to solve. We have that tan theta must be 1, which means that theta is going to be 45 degrees. To find the other solutions in the interval, we have, you can use the circle. Remember, the tan is repeated every 180 degrees because it's the gradient. So I have my 45 degrees here. The next angle that is going to have the same tan is the same gradient. So this is 45. This angle here is 180 plus 45, which is out of the interval. But this angle here is 45 minus 180. Yeah. Or, 45 minus 180, which is going to be negative. And it's in the interval because my interval is minus 195, between minus 180 and 180. Yeah, so this is the interval, and these are my two solutions, and that's all with this question. It's quite quick.